High Performance Premium S05 S40 grade for hard material. UNC805, UNC840. With the development of the UNC series, it has been available to offer a variety of customer solutions. The high-speed, high-feed machining of UNC series has superior insert wear, surface roughness, and dimensional accuracy of our products compared to our existing products and similar products of other competitors. UNC840 also improves productivity in high-feed machining, the same workpiece comparing to existing PC5000. Especially S05 turning grade, UNC805, and S40 milling grade, UNC840 applying Ultra-CVD coating, realize more general high-speed machining than grades for HRSA. Improved UNC grade series perform not only HRSA machining, but also other various machining. The high-speed machining of UNC series can confirm productivity improvement in the wear condition, surface roughness, and chip processing of inserts compared to our competitors. UNC series can be processed without any deviation in the dimensions of workpieces compared to competitors. The excellent performance of the UNC805 allows you to see the improvement in surface roughness. In HRSA machining with UNC805, C, S, and W type inserts apply chip breakers, VP2, VP4, and MM. V-type insert applying new chip breakers, MU and LU, ensures stable machinability, less chipping and fracture. The combination of UNC840 and chip breaker, ML, realizes high efficiency in machining. The lineup of inserts has R, A, L, and W types. Super toughness substrate of UNC series improves chipping resistance and crack resistance in HRSA machining and provides excellent tool life. Korloy developed Ultra-CVD coating technique, providing high hardness and lubrication to compensate heat resistance in machining space and aircraft component. High Performance Premium S05 S40 grade for hard material. UNC805, UNC840.